we believe landscape lighting is equally as important as interior lighting. Landscape lighting helps bring character, enhance any features of the building, helps with ambience and functionality of any external space. When selecting your external lighting, make sure to incorporate 3 basic types: ambience, task, and accent lighting. These are essential when making the perfect outdoor oasis for any home at any time of the year.
Ambient lighting can be achieved through hanging lights, bollards, wall lights, and downlights, and our #1 rule is to never overlight a space. A good design solution is to add a dimmer into the alfresco area. That way you have both functional lighting that you can dim down to create ambience. Task lighting does exactly what the name suggests. It illuminates areas where you're performing a specific task. This can include pathway lights, in-ground, and uplighters. These illuminate directly up, providing welcoming guiding light along areas like pathways. For a seamless look, LED strip can be recessed under steps, in hand railing, or in roof cavities. These can be used in all weather situations, as well as have a number of applications and lighting colour options that you can play with. Accent lighting is another important part of an outdoor space. If you have a favourite area or a focal point you wish to highlight, such as this beautiful sculpture, you can do so with fittings like spike spots. One of our favourites is the Hunza spike spots, as they're the most versatile solution for garden beds, uplighting medium-sized trees or high-level hedges. Plus, they can be easily moved around according to the life of the plant as they grow. One last tip is to look at the outdoor lighting from the interior of your home. What can be seen from the living space? What would you like to showcase or highlight? Correctly lit exterior lighting can mean that you can enjoy the external part of the space without necessarily being in it.
If you'd like any more information on how to best light your internal spaces or external spaces, please get in touch with Radiant Lighting or come into our showroom. Any of us lighting design consultants will be happy to give you a hand.